So many of you may already know, and many of you who are new to our channel may not know that trailbuildoffroad.com has over 1 million combinations of tire and wheel package options available. Plus, with over a dozen brands of suspension companies, we know that it can be overwhelming to try and narrow it down to just one tire and wheel package, combined with just one suspension kit for your Jeep Wrangler. What's up guys, I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and in today's video, we pick out our favorite top 5 tire, wheel, and suspension packages for under 3,000 bucks. Ready? Let's go. Before jumping into our 5 favorite tire, wheel, and suspension packages, keep in mind that all tire and wheel packages, when ordered together, come with free mounting and balancing, and if you live in the lower 48, will come shipped to your door at no additional cost as well. Also, due to ever-changing market prices, by the time you watch this video, the pricing that we show you may be slightly different than at the time of when this video was filmed. All right, so getting started in this video, we had selected the iconic Jeep Wrangler, specifically the JKs this time, to base our wheels, tires, and suspension packages around to help keep it consistent. Stay tuned to our channel by smashing that subscribe button, as down the road, we'll do the same video, just using a different brand and model next time. Our first package we have selected, and coming in at just shy of 3,000 bucks, is gonna be a set of Method race wheels, the 702 series that have the patented bead grip technology, in a 17-inch by 8.5 wide, combined with a set of BF Goodwrench all-terrain KO2s in the 315 70R17s, which is just shy of a 35-inch tire, and a BDS 3-inch suspension kit rated to fit up to 35-inch tires on the Wranglers. This kit comes complete with replacement NX2 gas-filled shocks, 3-inch lift coil springs, extended and quick disconnect sway bar links, and all the hardware needed to bolt this kit in. These wheels and tires packaged together for a set of 4 came to 2,064 bucks, and with the BDS 3-inch lift of 854 bucks, leaves you with one great package without breaking the bank at a grand total of 2,918 bucks, not including the tax, of course. Moving on to the next package, another affordable yet high quality tire and wheel package are the Dirty Life DT2s in the 17 by 8.5, paired with a set of 35 by 12-inch wide Ironman all-country MTs, along with a complete 4-inch rough country lift. And when I say complete, this means you are getting the replacement coil springs, replacement gas shocks, extended sway bar links, and all the hardware needed to install this lift. All packaged together and before tax is gonna run 2,244 bucks, which is a heck of an amazing price for a complete 4-inch suspension lift. Next in line, we have a set of 17 by 9 Ultra Warlocks, packaged with a set of 35-inch Kanati Trail Hog all-terrains. For the lift, we went with a 4-inch zone complete suspension lift with gas-filled shocks, replacement lift springs, extended sway bar links, and all the hardware to bolt it in. This tire, wheels, and suspension package combined before tax comes in at 2,025 bucks, which is a heck of a great bang for the buck package. And not to be confused with the Ultra Warlocks, our next package starts with the black Rhino Warlords in 17 by 9, wrapped with a set of 35-inch by 1250 wide Nitto trail grapplers. And packaged with these wheels and tires is a 4-inch ready lift complete suspension kit for a grand total before tax of $2,910. And last but certainly not least, this combination is for all of us who are looking for that best bang for the buck deal and want a super affordable price, plus still offers excellent performance as well. Starting with the wheels, we decided to go with a set of seal wheels to help keep the cost to a minimum, and went with 17-inch Vision Soft 8s and a set of 35-inch by 12.5 wide Kanati Mud Hogs. For suspension, again, we went with a Zone 3-inch complete suspension lift with, again, the replacement lift coils, gas charged shocks, extended sway bar links, all packaged together with wheels, tires, and suspension. This combination came to a grand total before tax of 1,745 bucks, which is an amazing deal and will leave a bit of extra spending room if you're looking to upgrade your rig's accessories as well, especially if you take the financing option when checking out. So now that we have briefly gone through some of our favorite wheel, tire, and suspension packages, if you are looking for any one of these packages, we will have each one of their links posted in the description below. Also, if you guys have any favorite tire, wheel, suspension packages, or even what vehicle make and model we can do this next with, just let us know in the comments below. And remember to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up to like the video, and share it with all your buddies. As always guys, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.